We're doing trekking here. Not bad at all. Definitely not. Uh, I mean, it is good, but what racing with the slowest vehicle? And did they say eight packs? Bro, you're telling me the bot this huge, humongous tank in Apex. Apex. I'm not going to even question. Oh, it's amazing. Holy moly! Okay. I can't see anything right now. Right now I can see. So I'm number 3 out of the 6. I'm dead, baby. This thing is too slow, bro. I can win this. Move out the way. Man, I'm a bad driver. But still, it looks like I win this. I ain't gonna cheat. Oh, no! I was targeting that guy. Is that a lie? Oh, hell no. I can break this one. No, I can't be this low, bro. No, screw this, screw meanness. I'm going. Hey yo, chill. Yup. Number 1. Oh, and I wasn't bumped into anything else because my truck is really smoking. So, let's go. I'm just winning. Please, bro. Look at that. Completed number 4.